Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Euclid Avenue is the grand spine of Cleveland, a historic thoroughfare that once earned the nickname Millionaires Row. While the sprawling mansions of the 19th century have largely given way to the soaring skyscrapers of the modern city centre, the avenue still pulses with the same ambition and elegance that made it world famous. Walking down Euclid today, you're travelling through the layers of Cleveland's evolution, from the Gilded Age of John D. Rockefeller to the high-tech, high-energy urban core of the 216. The architecture here is a masterclass in American design. As you move through the city centre, you're flanked by the limestone grandeur of the Union Trust building and the sleek, storied facades of the department store era. This stretch of the land was the birthplace of modern shopping experience, where grand atriums and intricate terracotta details turned a simple walk down the street into an event. The energy is magnetic, with the rhythm of the HealthLine rapid transit mingling with the footsteps of thousands of professionals, students and explorers who keep the avenue's heart beating. One of the most remarkable things about Euclid Avenue is its resilience. It has transitioned from a residential enclave of the elite into a powerhouse of commerce and culture. It serves as a vital link between Public Square and Playhouse Square, acting as a connecting tissue for the city's most iconic districts. Every block tells a story of reinvention. Historic banks converted into stunning hotel lobbies and old warehouses transformed into vibrant residential lofts. It's a place where the city doesn't just preserve history, it lives in it. Euclid Avenue is also where the city's grit meets its glamour. You can feel the industrial muscle in the heavy stone foundations, but you can see the artistic soul in the neon lights and the modern streetscapes. It is a street that demands you look up, whether it's to admire a century-old cornice or the reflection of a cloud in the glass tower. Standing on Euclid, you're at the center of the action. It's the stage for parades, the path for progress, and the definitive symbol of Cleveland's urban spirit. It's more than just a road, it's a lifeline into the city center, providing that in Cleveland, the path to the future is always paved with legacy of the past. This is the 216 at its most dynamic, bold, historic, and forever moving forward.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.